What's up YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers and tech. And for this video, I just wanted to speak to you guys and talk about how I can afford to buy the sneakers that I have in my collection today. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We are giving away a Yeezy Zebra. We are giving away an Epic React Flyknit, both of which are legit, authentic, and real. Subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram. One of the questions I get asked the most is, how do I afford to buy so many sneakers to feature on this channel? In fact, some of the people in the comment section have been saying only copying or buying sneakers every day and stuff like that. Now, I wanted to make this video to make 2 points, to make two very important points. The first point I'd like to make is something that it's kind of a burden that I feel that I just wanted to get off my chest, especially since I realized that I have so many young followers on this channel, as in really young, like less than 20 years old and stuff like that. And the first point I want to make is that whatever it is, be it sneakers, clothes, or gadgets, those material things do not have any say on your worth as a person. Do not ever feel pressured to buy things that you cannot afford. Don't ever feel less for wearing things that you feel are cool but you cannot afford. Don't ever feel less that you can't afford to wear a Yeezy. Don't ever feel like you're not worth anything because you can't wear Jordans or hype clothes or stuff like that. You are a beautiful person, you are uniquely made, and you are just friggin' awesome as you are. The sneakers, they're fun, they're cool, but they do not dictate your worth as a person. Do not ever feel less, lacking, or anything like that just because you cannot afford to buy sneakers. The next point I wanted to make is to at least share with the young guys or women watching this video on the value of hard work. And that's the reason why I'm able to buy so many sneakers. There's no secret. It's hard work. I didn't get any inheritance. I come from a political family, but our story is a story of riches to rags and being able to pick ourselves up to be able to make my own money. So it's really hard work. I have this saying that I usually give during talks, and it's like a life value that I've come to embrace. It's called the 7-to-1 principle. 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., that's where you build your career. Because not everybody's blessed to have a job that they love. We all need to pay our bills. We all have day jobs. We all have to start somewhere. But 7 p.m. to 1 a.m., that's where we get to build our dreams. Because 7 p.m. to 1 a.m., that's where we get to work on our startup. That's where we get to learn how to code, how to build things, how to make videos, how to learn how to edit, how to network with people, how to build with newer, bigger relationships, how to lose weight. All of that stuff, all of the magic happens at 7 p.m. to 1 a.m. 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., we need to earn our, our money to be able to pay our bills. But 7 p.m. to 1 a.m., guys, that's where the magic happens. Because 7 p.m. to 1 a.m., usually a lot of people are just drinking, partying, playing Dota, watching Netflix, or doing stuff that they don't really need to do, wasting that precious time that they have. For people who hustle, for people who want to make it big, for people who want to succeed, that time, 7 p.m. to 1 a.m., is the big difference that can set you apart and set you for a better life down the road. So what do? I have a full-time job. It's a good job. It's something that's very hard, very stressful, but it's something that I'm able to manage, and at least I try to give the most that I can to that particular role that I have. Now, apart from having a full-time job, I have a lot of other side hustles that I do. I have a TV show which airs every week at Tuesdays. I shoot that, guys, every Saturday. So every Saturday, I shoot a friggin' TV show. That's non-stop every week. Apart from that, I do this vlog, which I do every day. Every time I come home, I do the vlog to shoot it during the time that I mentioned to you. I also run several businesses on the side, unbox.ph, unpack.ph. All of that, all together, is the stuff that allows me to be able to buy the sneakers, to provide for my family, to set me up eventually for an early retirement down the road. My goal is to retire early in life, mainly because, and when I say retirement, it's not being a farmer. No offense to farmers. I meant is, just chilling and not doing anything. My definition of retirement is being paid doing what I love to do. Maybe this YouTube video thing might be it. Maybe writing, maybe blogging down the road. I don't know. And why I want to retire maybe earlier than a lot of people is because, like what I mentioned earlier, we all have just one life to live. And several years ago, and I realized that several years ago, maybe around, it was 2000, I can't remember if it was 2006 or 2007, I almost died. I was in an internet cafe. We were robbed. My girlfriend at that time, who's my wife now, somebody put a gun behind her head. So what I did, as any guy would do, believe me, it's not bravery. It's natural for men to do this if they see their loved one in danger. But I was able to cross one thing off my geek bucket list. I grabbed the keyboard and smashed it in his face. But yeah, so we were able to overwhelm some of the guys. But unfortunately, there was another guy outside. He came in, and being the biggest guy in the room, I was the easiest target. I got shot 3 times, through and through. One of the bullets even grazed my lungs. I literally almost died. And I remembered the feelings that I had while I was there, losing consciousness. It was really just the feeling of looking back at your life and looking back at the things that matter the most, looking back at the things that you love. And I realized after getting better eventually and working, is that when that moment comes again, when that moment comes that God gets me or I eventually pass away, I want to have as many moments, precious moments that I can, to be able to look back on and just be content and just be happy. And that's the reason why I want to retire as early as possible, so I can just get to see the world with my wife, to travel, to spend as much time as I can with my loved ones, and to do what I love and hopefully get paid for it. So yeah, that's how I'm able to afford buying sneakers. These shoes, these videos that I make of sneakers, aren't just sneaker reviews. They're actually invitations to you, to the viewers who watch this channel, to come with me in my journey in this channel. It can be sneakers today, can be tech tomorrow, it can be travel, it can be time with the wife, it can be serious videos like this in the coming weeks, months, and years ahead. This is an invitation. This is something that allows you to go to this channel for me to have this conversation with you and to as many people as possible. And that said, I really feel that it's a fantastic investment because hopefully this channel is what will allow me to retire several years down the road. So what's the lesson of this video? Number 1, you are worth it. You are great. You are meant to be a leader. You're meant to be a fantastic person in this world that we live in. Don't let anybody make you feel less. Don't make your friends feel that you're any less. Don't make anybody in this world make you feel that you're not worth it. That's lesson number 1. Lesson number 2, you have to earn everything in this world. You have to work the hardest if you want to be successful. You have to work the smartest if you have to be successful. And always remember that when the night hits, a lot of people are sleeping, a lot of people are partying, a lot of people are watching Netflix and playing Dota. That is your time to shine. That is your time to break away. That is your time to make a difference for you and for your loved ones. And that's actually it for this vlog. Always remember, guys, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. we build our careers. 7 p.m. to 1 a.m. let's build our dreams. I'll put a link down below of a full TED Talk that I did, the TEDx talk, several years, maybe 2 to 3 years ago, expounding on the concept of the 7 to 1 principle. Check it out if you haven't watched it yet, and I hope that you guys learned something from this video today. That's it for now. Peace. God bless.